Now we need to change the wheels because the gap for sticks is not same. We need to change the smaller to use 5mm sticks. Open. Then we press continue motor drop to change it to this part because we change half. See? Press count jog to let the wheels movement. Be careful the direction. So big. Okay, then we press the count one jog. Okay. We change half. After that, we need a fix. Okay. Okay, now we finish to change the counting wheels. Now we can use smaller counting wheels to count 5mm sticks because this sticks is 12mm. Okay, at the same time we need to change the film because if the film the width change too much, we need to adjust the inner hopper. To make the film just in the middle two parts should be same. Okay, load the film. And the film. So here, then here. Okay. Then the back former. We need to put inside the film into the back former. here inside. Okay, now seams two part, no seam. Our engineer press jog button to load the film. The film need to put in the two wheels inside. After that, we put jog. Okay, we need to check the film position to make two-part seam. If only a little different, we just adjust this button to trim it only a little. If change it too much, we need to adjust the inside the hooper. Okay. Okay, now it is inside, in the middle. After that, we set the back length according to the sticks length. Before that, we need to make the bucket discharge off. Bucket discharge off means here no sticks will falling down. For just the film, no sticks falling down. Now we load the sticks. Watch out the direction. The direction sticks. Okay, we find the balance position so that it can load proper. Okay, then adjust here. Sugar.
的话420、430、435。
Okay, we check the back length. 这个5个，正好10个，这个10 piece，10 piece. Okay, 10 pieces. Bucket on. Okay, sticks. Loading sticks. We need to watch out at the beginning. Stop. That's very important at the beginning, not to make the sealer cut the sticks. If the sealer cut sticks too much times, easily damage the knife.
110。
Okay, our engineer is measuring the distance, how much you need to change the sticks position.
158.110，40。
48. 玻璃有什么问题？
哎，这个是高吧？
这是6位。
啊，这是高。
6位。This sticks, we need to change and sealer position. Just to make a mistake, we should adjust and sealer position.
110，470。
负4:7啊，大了吧？
刚才
变成负470了。This machine installed anti-cutting system. Now anti-cutting system, it works. It can protect the end sealer. 带长小了吧 ？Seems the back length is not enough. We need to make the back length bigger. Okay. Start the machine. Now stick falling down. Okay, we check. Okay.
这个是，
你刚才
哪个是刀位啊？
这个是刀位。
刀位。
This 啊，
刀位6位。
对，
是吧？
对。
然后刀往后转。
你刚才调成负数了。
这是负的哈，这是负的，这个。
直接调正转调到反转调到可以调出来吗？
不可以。
不可以啊。哦。Okay. Just we measure the distance is 110. So we reduce from here. Good. Okay. Our engineer said now this the fin sealer, the round sealer is too high. We need to make the distance smaller so that the film cannot fall down. We need to loosen these two screws and adjust. The fin seal is a little angle like this. After that we fasten.懂了吗？
哪个这是色标是吧？
不是，不是，这是确认，色标确定。
这个呢？哪个色标？这是色标。
这是不是推杆点动？
这个呢？
这是模进，这是模退。
色标呢？
色标在这儿，现在是
关闭开着了。
啊。
啊？
对，现在是正常模式还是色标模式？
哎？什么情况
？Now we use a transparent film. Transparent film. Now the screen it showed is mark mode. If mark mode cannot use the transparent film, so it running not good. Can cut sticks all the time. So this is very important. We need to change it to length mode. Okay, length mode. Length mode for transparent film. Okay, keep falling down. Okay, change a little and the sealer position. Change again. Okay. Okay. Show you how to adjust. For transparent film, we firstly need to change it to length mode. Really make enough stick inside, and this drawer need upper, so that there is enough sticks can be loaded. If no sticks here, will no stick being loaded.